bath time. I think I have some upset babies. First babs. First babs. Let's see, there's Michelangelo, Leonardo, Raphael, Donatello. Who is that? That is Shorty. That's one of the daddies. Honey. Cinnamon. Beeper. Achilles. And I can't remember the name. Cinnamon. Okay, anyway, all getting bappies. Bappy day. All mad at Mama. They're all gonna be mad at me all day. Huh? You gonna be mad at Mama all day? You know that water feels good. Yeah, you know that feels good. Yep, they're all mad at me. They'll be alright. Bappy's not gonna kill them. Whee! The only ones that we're gonna have to do when Jeffy comes home is Miss Leela and Mr. Breezy. That's great grandma and great grandpa. Pearl, one of the mamas. Sparkles, one of the mamas. Flake got his bath the other day. Or no, that's Honey. That's one of the daddies. There's Pearl. There's Pearl. Mama, Shake and Flake got your bath the other day. You don't need another bath. Sparkles, you're getting a bappy when Jeffy comes home. You too, honey.